Week 7 focuses on glass and windows. Now, I handle my glass fractures a bit differently than a standard concrete or metal type of fracture, so we'll go over my preferred approach for tackling that, and we'll also briefly talk about the RBD material fracture SOP as well. And then after creating that base glass fracture, we're going to use those shapes as instances for a scattered RBD debris sim for these shattering windows. And then after adding those shattered shards, we're going to add in this glass edge layer on the window frames, because once these windows shatter, if that leaves a perfect hole behind with those perfectly clean window frames, that doesn't look very detailed or interesting or realistic. So we'll go ahead and add these stuck bits of glass that remain attached to the window frames using a technique similar to how we handled the rebar. We'll also discuss adding this fine particulate, glittery, sparkly layer to fill out those window shards and add this nice twinkle of detail. Now, this type of effect is very dependent on how it's rendered, so I'm also going to briefly discuss the lighting and rendering of that. In my case, I'm using Redshift here, although these same principles will apply to Mantra or pretty much any other rendering software that one might use.